Hey gorgeous, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how I make my clarifying herbal African black soap shampoo. So let's begin. So I'm starting with my African black soap, and you want to make sure you are getting original African black soap. You want to get it from the right supplier or suppliers you can at least trust their product. I get mine from local stores around me. African black soap is known for its amazing benefit for our natural hair. It is non-toxic as it is made from plants such as shea tree bark, palm kernel, palm tree, plantain leaves, coconut oil, shea butter, and some natural ingredients that are processed together to give us this black soap. Now, if you're looking for a non-toxic cleanser, then African black soap is your best bet. And in this video, you're going to see the full tutorial of how to make this clarifying herbal shampoo that your hair will love, and it is also cruelty free. So I have here the quantity I'm going to use, and I'm going to shred it right away. Now you can also choose to cut your soap into chunks, but I noticed that shredding it this way makes it dissolve faster. And while I'm still shredding the soap, let me take a moment to welcome all our returning subscribers. Thank you for being here always. And if you're new, you are most welcomed. Consider subscribing. On this channel, I talk about natural skincare and natural hair practices you can practice in your home at your convenience. And I make a lot of DIYs and tutorials as well. So if this interests you, kindly hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family, and share your thoughts in the comment section. So now I'm going in with my herbs, and I'm going in with amla powder. Amla powder is actually known to Indians. It is a superfood when it comes to our hair, and it helps to nourish our scalp and promote healthy hair growth. I'm going in now with my amla powder, and the next herb I'm also adding is my chebe powder. Chebe powder is popularly known to promote hair growth. It is superfood when it comes to growing our hair, nourishing our scalp. Like, it is everything our healthy hair deserves. So I'm going in with a tablespoon of my chebe powder, and I'm also going in with my neem powder. Neem powder is amazing for our scalp. It helps to heal a lot of scalp concerns, and it also helps to promote hair growth. And I'm also going in with cloves. Cloves is a hair growth wonder. It's amazing. It nourishes our scalp, nourishes our hair, conditions our hair, and promotes fast hair growth. So this shampoo will not be complete without cloves. Now the herbs I'm using are actually to help promote hair growth. You can substitute these herbs with your choice of herb. I am also going in with hibiscus flower. This hibiscus flower helps to condition hair as well. It promotes hair growth, and it is amazing for our natural hair. So I'm adding just few flower buds, and if you're adding more, it could change the color of the shampoo, which is normal and will not affect your hair color. And I'm also going in with distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, you can boil your water and let it cool, then go ahead to use it. Now, after adding my distilled water, I am also trying to stir it properly to make sure all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Everything will be fully mixed thoroughly before I go ahead to cover it. Now that everything is fully mixed, it is time to cover it and set it aside. Now this can take about 2 hours to dissolve properly, but I'm going to leave it till the following day because I don't just want it to dissolve. I also want the herbs to infuse properly. release their nutrient into the water, and so I'm going to leave it till the next day. So after sitting for about 24 hours, everything is fully dissolved except the chunks of hibiscus flower and cloves. The soap is fully dissolved, and by now the herbs have already infused into the mixture, and so I go ahead to filter it, and then I'll be adding the rest of the additives. Black soap is an alkaline and it has a higher pH level. I'm going to be adding apple cider vinegar, which is an acidic solution, to bring down the alkaline level a bit and to also help balance the pH of our hair and scalp, and also help to deeply cleanse the scalp and cleanse the hair. I am also going to be adding my oil here. Now you can choose any oil you feel comfortable with, ranging from jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, like any oil you feel comfortable with. Okay, so I also went in with honey, and now I'm going in with my mint oil. Mint oil helps to soothe the scalp and also great for healthy hair. I am also going in with tea tree oil, which is known to help with dry scalp and also reduce infections around the scalp. I am also going in with rosemary essential oil, which is known to promote healthy hair growth and also nourish our scalp and hair. And then while using essential oil, also remember you don't need too much of essential oil. All the ingredients I use in this tutorial will be listed in the description box, so do well to check out the description box for the right measurement. I am also going in with my preservative. Because of the herbs added in this shampoo, we need to add it a preservative to last longer, and there are different preservatives you can use. I'm using Germa Plus here. You can use them Optifine or any kind of broad spectrum preservative. And now we have our shampoo. It is ready. You can go ahead and use it, but I am going to thicken this shampoo a bit. It is very watery, runny. I want it to be in between runny and thick. I don't want it to be super thick, so I'm going to thicken it a bit with my thickener, and here I'm using xanthan gum. You can use guar gum or any kind of thickener you feel comfortable with, and you also understand how to use it. So I'm going in with my xanthan gum, and I'm going to be dissolving it with my vegetable glycerin. Now if you want to omit the thickening stage, then you also want to add your glycerin into your shampoo, and so I'm going to dissolve the thickener with my glycerin, and I'm going to make sure that everything is fully dissolved before adding it into my black soap. So after dissolving xanthan gum with glycerin, I went ahead to add it into the mixture, and you also want to stir it fast. You want to be very fast while stirring it, because you don't want the thickener to leave particles in the soup. But even if it does, don't worry, it will dissolve after a while. Now, mixing this thoroughly may take you a while. You want to be sure you don't have any particles or any thickener chunks in the shampoo. And once everything is fully dissolved, you've mixed everything properly, go ahead and pour it into your container and cover properly. By the following day, it is going to get thicker than what you have now. And now we have our clarifying Herbal African black soap shampoo. It is ready and you can go ahead and use it. I have been using this shampoo for a while, and after using this shampoo, you'll notice how amazing your hair will feel. Your scalp will feel super cleansed and your hair will feel soft. Your coils will be well defined. This hair shampoo is amazing. Like, try this shampoo and come back and let me know in the comment section what you feel about this herbal shampoo. And also, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, share this video with your loved ones, and engage in the comment section. I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, this is me drawing the curtain and saying bye bye. Stay healthy, stay beautiful.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine.